Marco Odermatt is a Swiss World Cup alpine ski racer. He was born on October 8, 1997 in Switzerland. He is the son of Priska Odermatt and Walti Odermatt. Marco Odermatt received an overdose of talent from his parents and he thanks them with every skiing victory he achieves. In 2021, Marco Odermatt of Switzerland wins opening bursts of Press Super G. Marco Odermatt was the seventh racer on course and took an early lead with a time of 1 hour 08.61 seconds. The lead held through the next 54 ski racers as Odermatt won handily. His time was 0.78 seconds faster than second place Matthias Mayer. Broderick Thompson rounded out the podium in third place, 0.95 seconds behind Odermatt. The Super G marks the return of men's professional ski racing in the US as the World Cup did not visit North America last season due to the COVID-19 pandemic. At the 2016 Junior World Championships in Sochi, Russia, Odermatt was 11th in downhill, took bronze in Super G, failed to finish the combined, won gold in giant slalom and failed to finish the slalom. At the 2018 Junior Worlds in Davos, Odermatt won an unprecedented 5 gold medals. As a new junior world champion, Odermatt made his World Cup debut in March 2016 in the giant slalom at the season finals in St. Moritz. He gained his first World Cup podium at Kranjska Gora in March 2019 and his first win came in December 2019 in a Super G at Beaver Creek, Colorado. Marco Odermatt charged precisely where he needed to charge along the challenging Super G course. The Swiss racer took chances only where he knew he could. After learning his trade at the Hargiswil Ski Club, he reached the final in his very first Megros GP and by the age of 10 was selected to join the youth squad of the Nidwalden Ski Association (NSV) under the tutelage of NSV trainer Rumo Lucy. Unsurprisingly, Marco's time on the podium continued to add up in the 2020-21 season. After 4 podium finishes in January and February, he achieved back-to-back World Cup wins at Austria and Slovenia in March of that season. He is a serious contender for glory whenever he lines up race now, whether in giant slalom or Super G.